Hi guys, you're welcome to Quibec TV channel. Okay, you're welcome to Quibec TV channel, and if this is your first time watching this channel or coming across this channel, please like and subscribe, and also turn on your notification button to get notification anytime I drop a new video. For my previous subscribers, thank you, I love you guys, you're doing great. So today I'm going to be comparing between Carotone and Carowhite. So today I'm going to be comparing between Carotone and Carowhite lotion and creams. Carowhite contain Carowhite cream, Carowhite lotion, Carowhite serum, Carowhite oil, Carowhite soap. Carotone also contains the same thing, Carotone lotion, cream, soap, oil, serum, dark spots. Now I'm going to talk about Carowhite first, then move to Carotone. Now Carowhite is a lightening lotion. If you use Carowhite, it will give you 3 to 4 shades lighter. You become 3 to 4 shades lighter. It's a very fast lightening lotion. I've done a review on Carowhite before. I've also done a review on Carotone before, but I'm going to try to compare both together right now in this review. Now, Carowhite is not a long-term lotion. Carotone is not a long-term lotion. What I mean is, both of them cannot be used for a very long time. They will damage your skin. There are ways to prevent that. You can watch that video which I've posted previously about Carotone or Carowhite. Now, Carowhite contains 2% hydroquinone. It is a very fast lightening lotion. It is a very fast lightening lotion. I mean, it is a bleaching lotion. So if you don't want a bleaching lotion, you don't want something that will bleach your skin, then Carowhite is not for you. But if you want something that will bleach your skin, you want something that will work very fast for you, then Carowhite is your plug. Carowhite will whiten you 3 to 4 shades in 2 weeks. It is that fast and it is very, very strong. So if you want a very strong cream, you go for Carowhite. Now, the downside of Carowhite is Carowhite will give you skin reaction. There are ways to use Carowhite that will not give you reactions, but if you use Carowhite alone, especially if you're using it during the day, Carowhite will give you skin reaction. It will give you stretch mark, it will give you green vein, it will give you white patches, it will give you, name it, it will give you. Carowhite is that strong. So to prevent Carowhite from giving you all those things, you had carrier oils, you had anti-reaction product to it to prevent it. Then you make sure you use Carowhite mostly at night, and you can also use it as a wash off. You use it for 2 to 3 hours, wash it off, and that is it for the day. You do not use Carowhite more than 3 to 4 times a week at most. You can just use it for 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Using Carowhite at night, you can decide to use a glowing oil in the morning or just a moisturizer in the morning, which is fine. And at night, you use Carowhite at night as a wash off. That is for Carowhite. Now, Carotone is also a bleaching cream. It also contains 2% hydroquinone, but Carotone would not lighten you as much as Carowhite. It will not lighten you as fast as Carowhite. So between Carotone or Carowhite, if you want something that will lighten you very fast, you go for Carowhite. If you want something that will lighten you slower than Carowhite, you go for Carotone. Carotone is also a bleaching cream, but it will not lighten you as fast as Carowhite. It will make you 2 to 3 shades lighter. It won't make you light. It won't make you light as fast as Carowhite. So if you want something very fast, you go for Carowhite. If you want something gradual, not as fast as Carowhite, you go for Carotone. Because Carotone doesn't make you lighten faster as Carowhite, it will not give you skin reaction as bad as Carowhite. It will also give you skin reaction. You have skin reaction with Carotone too, but it will not be as bad as Carowhite skin reaction. It's not that Carowhite is not good, it's not that Carotone is not good. They are both good. There's a way you use it and you will not have any issues. So if you want to know that, I have dropped videos concerning that. You can check my channel. I've dropped videos concerning that, explaining what you can do to prevent skin reaction from both of those lotions. So if you want something very light, you go for Carowhite. If you want something a bit mild, you go for Carotone. Both are good. Now, Carotone face cream is very, very good. I mean the dark spots corrector. It is good too. You use it for your dark spots. And one thing about Carotone face cream dark spot corrector is that it is very good for your knuckle. You can use it for your knuckle. Now, anytime, as I've said earlier, when you want to use this lotion, this cream or lotion, you use it at night, please. Use it at night. Even the dark spot corrector, use it at night. Use it at night. You understand? To get the best result, to get a very good result, you use it at night. You add a carrier oil to it to dilute it. You add anti-reaction product to it to be less prone to any skin reaction. Now, both of them are not long term. They are not creams used for a very long time. You use it for some months. Stop it when you get your desired complexion and you start using something else. They are not something you use for a very long time because they would damage your skin. You start smelling, and I don't think anyone wants to smell bad. So you can use these creams, you can use this lotion, you can use them very perfectly and you have very good complexions, but they are not something you use for a very long time. I'm emphasizing on that because I have heard people using it for 3 to 4 years. Well, it works good for them, but at the long run, it will damage your skin.